Peace, peace, peace. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Try, be tried. That's this out, by the way. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. You dig? American Pride. Here with another book unboxing opening. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one. As you know, I'm rocking this on selfie mode. So let's see how this goes. Let's see. Maybe 5. Let me just y'all gonna have to look at the ceiling for a bit. Oh yeah, here it goes. Topic secrets. Here we go. Da-da-da-da. Opening it backwards. Using it backwards. Oops. Hopefully I'm not cutting them. There we go. Whoop. Okay. Oh, we might have got twice. 2 of them. Okay. Let's find out. Anyway. Oh, that's what I was cutting. That's what my line did. Look at my line. I'm glad I didn't do the cover of the actual book. You know, the trilogy secrets, quick start guard. Okay, looks like they throw these in all of them now. Cause I know that wasn't before. You know, when I got the expert secrets book, but that was like years ago. Might have been like 2 years ago. Got the sauce right here. The sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. You know, they got the funnel scripts offers, the ClickFunnels Hackers Guide, Marketing Secrets app, podcast. Okay. Unlock the secret workbook. Let's see. It's your playbook for this company that you designed. Inside, you created a reading. As you read each book in order, you can write down your thoughts, ideas, inspirations you have in them. If you have a new business idea, the workbook will help you flesh it out. If you have an existing business, unlock the secrets to ensure it correctly. And even if you think you know everything there's to know about funnels, this workbook will give you the golden nuggets, strategies to grow your company to the next level. Okay. Let me see. Hopefully y'all can see what I see because I got it in this selfie mode. Y'all know. Join the community, hacker community, da-da-da. All right. Write down your ideas. I'm going to try to get that separately. I'm just being honest with y'all. Just being honest. Because I already had some other books. I wanted to make sure I get it and then I retain it. But if I buy it again, because this is some great information, I'm not going to lie. Because I've read previous books from him. And speaking of previous, yeah, you guys know what I've done the unboxing on. Whoop. That's my chess pieces of playing a game of chess. Right there. You see that? Saturday challenge. OFA. You guys see that. See the unboxing I done of that one. Pardon me. Drop my chess pieces. I dropped one. Alright. And what we've been waiting for. Look at that. I'm so excited. Traffic Secrets, the underground playbook for filling websites and funnels with your dream customers. Russell Brunson. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Traffic Secrets, funnels. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The biggest problem that most entrepreneurs is in creating an amazing product or service is by getting the future customers to discover that they even exist. Every year, 10,000 businesses start and fail the business because entrepreneurs don't understand that the one essential skill, the art and science of getting traffic or people to find you. And that's a tragedy. Whoops. Yeah, I know I'm doing this live. Traffic Secrets is written to help you get a message out to the world about your products and service. I strongly believe that entrepreneurs are the only people on earth who will actually change the world. I agree. It won't have in government. Oh, I definitely agree. And I don't think it will happen in schools. Most def. You know how we feel about school. If that it'll happen because of entrepreneurs like you who are crazy enough to build products and services that will actually change the world. It'll happen because we are crazy enough to risk everything to try and make the dream become a reality. Well, you know what I've been telling y'all. To all the entrepreneurs who fail in the first year of business, what a tragedy it is when the one thing they risked everything for never fully gets to see the light of day. Waiting for people to come is not a strategy. Understanding exactly who your dream customer is, discovering where they're congregating, and throwing out the hooks that will grab their attention and pull them into your funnels, where you can tell them a story and they'll and make them an offer is a strategy. That's the big secret. Traffic is just people. This book will help you find your people so you will focus on changing the world with the products and services that you sell. Russell Brunson started his first online company while he was wrestling in college. Within a year of graduation, he has sold over $1 million of his own products and services from his basement. Over the past 15 years, he has built a following of over 1 million entrepreneurs and sold hundreds of thousands of copies of his book, popularized the concept of sales funnels, and co-founded a software company, ClickFunnels, and he has helped 10,000s of entrepreneurs quickly get their message out to the marketplace. He lives in Idaho with his family, and you can visit him online at russellbrunson.com. Yo, I'm so ecstatic, bro. Ooh, look at the green, look at the green, look at the green. Money. Woo. He said all his books are gonna look like whatchamacallit, freaking rainbow. All of them. All right. Look at that. Who is your dream customer? Where are they hiding? The Dream 100 traffic that you own. That's the best traffic. Filling your funnel with paid ads, organic traffic, Instagram traffic secrets. All right, need that. Facebook traffic. All right. You know Instagram. Healing through inspiration. You do. Growth hack. Other people's distribution channels. Your affiliate army. Okay, I like the sound of that. Cold traffic. Hey. Other grown traffic. Growth traffic. Sorry. Look at that. Whew. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. This book took a lot of time to get here. I got the smartphone with the messenger. I can set up automatic conversations to reach my followers inside Facebook. Yeah. We've started a little bit on our Facebook. You've seen our page. Same as our name. Yeah. So excited. But this took so freaking long to get here because, you know, with this post and stuff, package delays as per, you know, we're in quarantine. You know, things are taking a lot longer. As far as you guys know, if our stuff has been taking longer as far as our products, you know, on healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys know that it's been taking longer, but you guys still got them. I'm very glad. I make sure, but we already know how it is, especially with this quarantine. This stuff is a gift. This is a lab. We're supposed to be studying. We're supposed to be using this as growth. I really can't really wait to use this as far as for growth. But you know, I got to finish. I told myself I got to be diligent and focused because I got to finish one thing at a time. You know that. Because y'all know I'm reading the 30 days one. So yeah. Really excited about this. Hold on one second. Okay. But yeah. Yeah, we got more stuff coming. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Share this, hit the bell notification because we're uploading daily, as you guys know. Continue to have a great day. Focus, meditate, continue to grow. Peace, love, and light.